Lisa did. She wrote in, she says, my fiance's water heater just stopped working. He went to one of the big box stores, Brad, to buy a new water heater and was told he could not unless he was a plumber. I think I've heard something about this before. What's going on? She's wondering. The plumbers are charging well over the cost of the water heater to purchase and install. Any suggestions, Brad Lawler?
Boy, I don't know about that one. I'm not sure. I don't know how to answer that question because
Yeah,
you can install your own
water
water
heater.
heater. I don't know why anyone would be told that they can't. I'm not sure.
I would suggest, Lisa, go to another store and see if
Yeah.
that's the same thing. It may just be this one person there has the wrong
Yeah.
understanding. You never know.